Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Developer. If you are new to my channel, I request you to kindly subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. And if you are already a subscriber, please make sure you have pressed the bell icon so that you can get the latest notifications. So, in my last video, I have covered that we have created an API for getting all the poetries from the REST API, right? So in this video, I will be going to create the delete mapping in which we will give the poetry ID as a path variable and we will be deleting that poetry for that particular ID. So please keep focus on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, we have to write the public response entity, and inside the response entity we are definitely going to return that particular body, right? So as I already told you in my last videos that whatever the poetry service interface method has the return type, that is, suppose we are doing the delete related API, right? So if you see that poetry service delete method return type is API response GTO of type void. So that same type return type will be for the controller API. So public response entity of type API response GTO of type void, this will be the return type for that particular controller API, right? After that, the method name, and inside the method, we will be taking the path variable ID, right? For which we are going to delete that particular poetry. So at the it path variable will come over here, and string ID will be there. As you already know that we have taken the id as a string in the entity or the document class. That's why for the matching that thing I am taking the id as a string over here. So let's mark the API as at the rate delete mapping, right? So delete mapping, and the value will be slash that particular id, and that id will be in the curly braces. So that curly braces simply means that this particular variable will link to this particular ID, that is we are saying as a path variable, right? So let's now return the response of the API. So we will just copy this particular above example, and instead of calling the get method, we will simply call the delete method, and the ID will be as it is passed, and the status will be okay. Status will almost be okay, that because if the API is success means the poetry is deleted, so the HTTP status will be okay. So I hope this video clears you that how we can create the delete mapping API for this project. And if you have any question, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to resolve your queries, right? So thank you for watching my video, guys. Please subscribe my channel, please press the bell icon, and bye for now. Take care.